Welcome back to Elevated, the podcast dedicated to helping you build a better kitchen and bath design business. In this episode, we're continuing our exploration of AI-powered image editing and talking about a real-life client story that demonstrates the practical application of these kinds of tools. Great photos are a key asset when creating a website that gets results. As a kitchen and bath design business owner, you're likely no stranger to the power of captivating photos, as you probably hire a professional photographer to capture the stunning results of your completed projects for use on your website, Instagram, or even submitting for awards. Despite having a professional photographer and the right lighting, sometimes you end up with photos that just aren't quite a fit for how you need to use them. This was the case for us recently during a website redesign project for a client. She went and had professional photos taken and they were great, a fit for her brand and many of them in the right setting. But there were a couple of photos that had exactly the right shot of her, but the wrong context. AI to the rescue. This is where AI-powered image editing tools come in to help. Using Photoshop's AI background replacement feature, we were able to change the context of the photos to better fit the design and layout of the website. So first up, changing the context. For the first photo, our client was leaning against a wall, but we needed to use it in a place where we needed her leaning against a desk. So to do this, we used Photoshop's AI background replacer and input the prompt, professional office with desk. The tool generated 3 options, but they weren't quite right. So we changed the prompt to modern desk in a bright office, and with that prompt, we got the right version to use. The next photo, we needed to work on changing orientation and adding a person. So not only did we need to change the context, we needed to change the orientation of the photo from portrait to landscape. To do this, we again used Photoshop AI to select the subject of the image and then copied it into a new image that was the correct orientation. Next, we used the background generator to add new context to the image. However, this time, we needed to add another person to the photo. This took a lot more iterations to get right. With each attempt, we adjusted our prompt, and at one point, we even went to our other AI tool, Magi, to ask it to improve our background generator prompt. It took many tries, and some people with weird appendages, but we finally got what we needed. The technology behind AI-powered image editing tools is constantly improving, and every week, the image generation capabilities are getting better. However, creating people, even if it's just the back of their head, still seems a bit tricky for AI. In this episode, we've shown you how AI-powered image editing tools can be used to change the context of photos to better fit your design and layout needs. We've also demonstrated how these tools can be used to change the orientation of an image and add a new person to the photo, if you need that. While this technology behind these tools is constantly improving, it's still important to keep the ethical implications of using AI in mind. Join us in the next episode as we explore the integrity of using AI in your business. Are you all in on using AI in your business but need some hands-on expert help? Book 15 minutes with me at FieryFX.com/chat to get personalized guidance.